Hey, it's Ambrosia here with Equity Recipe. I wanted to show you guys a very simple, very quick, but effective way to update your kitchen. It is very old, very yellow, and it doesn't look that great. But what do? I have a solution. I found a product that just literally goes in. It's an Insta Trim. You now can instantly take the old trim and light and put this in, just like a light bulb, you screw it in. And when you do that, you have a new look, new color, and now you have an LED light. You want to take off the cover. This is the cover here. And how it works is there's this spring that's holding this cover in. Some styles are not a spring, but this particular one is. So I'm actually going to take the bulb out first, like that. Now the cover's off, we can put in our new bulb. You'll see it's literally like replacing an actual light bulb. And this particular style can be modified to more than one size. So you pull the base out, or you push it back in. You just screw it in. Once you do that, you instantly get a facelift. It now looks like that. What a huge difference from that. So now I'm going to replace the other two. Now I've replaced all of them. What I didn't show you is the ones up here I replaced a little bit ago. And then I showed you guys these three. They're super bright. They're gonna save you money on your bill. And best of all, they were super easy to install, right? This particular product is an Insta Trim. And all that means is you can adjust for either a 5 or 6 inch can light. It's LED. And like I said, you can find these at all major hardware stores, but I did get them from Minnesota Home Outlet in Woodbury. So go out there and try it. Bye guys, thanks for watching.